Need like a bell.
Gong gong.
Ting. Hello, Butterballs. My name's Sarah.
And my name's Jack.
And we are
the Butterbabez.
And tonight we have this incredible seafood spread, and we are going to mukbang it up.
Yeah, this is our first official
This is our
mukbang.
first official mukbang.
We've done many unofficial
We're so excited. Yes. I mean,
every day.
our whole life is an unofficial mukbang. And we have our girl in the house, Sky High Beauty.
Our hair and makeup.
She glammed us up. You know, I think she's going to be here pretty much all the time.
Yeah, we need
so
her. We need her.
You're going to see, like, Jackie's arm. Oh, there she goes.
Cameo life.
Jackie's arm is just going to leave the screen a couple times.
Her, like, periodically.
Yeah, so that's what's happening there.
Baby.
So, Jax, why don't you tell us a little bit about what our spread is tonight?
Okay, this was a process, let me tell you.
It totally was.
I said that we shouldn't have documented our cooking, but Sarah was right, we should have, because it was quite a process.
Yeah,
so
we've got a lot going on.
We do. Okay, so we have a couple of lobsters. We had live lobsters. We cooked them. This is some king crab, Alaskan king crab that we got.
And Canadian lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This I don't. Yeah, it's Alaskan king crab from Costco.
Good old Costco.
Good old Costco. Yeah, the guy thought I was crazy when I bought it. I was like, "Can I have a case?" And he's like, "That's 9 kilograms of crab." Yeah.
We like crab, sir.
Did I stutter? And then we have like a bunch of side things. So this is our, typical seafood boil, but we made Miss B Love sauce. So
yeah, B Love sauce.
We're really excited to try this. Like, we've been watching your videos every day.
We love you, B.
Okay, what else do we have on that side?
We got shrimp.
Shrimp.
Fresh shrimp in some garlic butter. Okay, over here we have a delicious garlic aioli, compliments of me because I am a sauce queen.
Yes, sauce queen.
And I love all the sauces. So any sauce you need, I got you. Over here, what do we got?
Alfredo sauce. We have a Alfredo cream truffle sauce. We're going to try out all these sauces with everything because it's delicious.
And then talk to us about what that sauce is.
Okay, this is the sauce from the seafood, or from the Captain's Boil.
Yeah.
So this is their Captain's Boil signature sauce. Man.
We're going to kind of compare it to B Love sauce.
I don't know if it's as good as the homemade stuff, so we're going to have to try it out.
Yeah,
but,
we're going to try it out. And then some cheese balls.
Okay, tell them how it happened, though.
So we had some leftover batter from our calamari. So we made some fresh calamari here. We battered it ourselves. We used our Tefal. And then we had the leftover batter. And Sky here was like, we don't waste food. The parm was
I don't know. I just helped myself to your crisper and was like,
I had a lot of cheese
going to town today.
in my fridge.
Thank you, baby cheeses.
Yeah, baby cheeses. Amen.
All right.
Okay.
You ready to eat?
Yeah, let's dig in.
You're in mukbang.
Let's dig in. Mukbang.
All right. I don't even know where to start.
Okay, you know what?
I think we should.
Gong. Yeah.
Yes, we need like a bell.
Gong gong.
Ting. Okay, that was our imaginary gong.
Okay.
And I think you should maybe go into the crab first because it's the main event, no?
Oh, look at this. Are you ready for this? Like, I don't think you're ready for this.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Do you see that right now? Okay. Do you want me to put these somewhere else?
Yep, no, that's perfect right there.
What sauce do I start with?
I don't know. That's tough.
I think I'm gonna start with
You're
this
gonna
one.
go with the cream?
Because I don't want to dip it in here and then
that's
make
true.
that one all red, you know?
Yeah. Okay, so this is our truffle Alfredo sauce.
I think.
Moment of silence. Let's all bow our heads. Oh,
we have a casualty here.
I got it.
How is it that the first
The
bite?
first one. So, is it good?
Oh my god.
Okay, hook me up. You know, help a sister out. I'm gonna have to start cutting into this one. Is it warm enough?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I mean, could be hotter, but it's delicious. Alright.
Okay.
We're dipping this bad boy in here.
Okay.
I'm going for it. I'm just going for the B Love sauce. I want to try it out.
How is it over there?
Bless.
Bless?
But guys, I need help with this.
Yeah.
I don't know how to get it out of here.
Okay, so that's kind of what I'm going at right now. I'm not a huge fan of peeling shrimp, but really you gotta go for it and just take it right out of that shell.
Can we do like a tutorial, like a shrimp peeling tutorial?
Yeah, you gotta just take it from the legs and just peel her back.
Look at this. Yeah. It's freaking good, right? Oh,
It's amazing.
I'm gonna give a little.
Oh, this sauce?
Here.
Oh, it's amazing.
I'm gonna give you a piece of this here and let you try it.
Oh, you need a napkin?
Mm.
Right behind you. Look.
Huh?
By the candle.
Bless. Thank you.
We're getting a little saucy.
I gave you a little piece of crab.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Thank you. Alright, if you wanna start opening, or you know what? No, I'm gonna give you a really good bite right now.
I'm gonna take a potato because you know I love potato. I love potato because it can be
So many different things.
It can be so many different things.
I'm
It can-
actually obsessed with potatoes.
Right? A
Did you-
fry.
Did you know
We
that?
talked about this in Mexico, I'm pretty sure.
Mhm. Like how Bubba is for shrimp, I'm like that for potatoes. Like
Mhm.
anyway, just
Mhm.
give them to me.
Did you know that my parents called me the potato queen when I was younger?
My parents called me the exact same thing.
I love that.
Because I used to love potatoes.
That's so funny. Like, literally, that's what my dad would call me.
Yeah.
You are the potato queen. Because
We're the
every
same
type of
person.
potato. Mm-hmm. Mashed potato,
Mm.
French fry. Mm.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's good. That sauce is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Okay, this garlic aioli, though, life.
There's so many things to try right now. Like, I don't even know.
Scott, you want to try some of this garlic aioli?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with the shrimp and go with potatoes.
Girl,
Let's go with everything.
What's this, baby? Shrimp?
no, this is a big piece of
Ooh,
shoulder.
crab.
Yeah. I want to like zoom in on my face when I'm feeding it to you because I'm probably like, my pupils dilate a little bit.
Crab.
Yeah.
So maybe that's what game that we should play. What food can you eat aside from potato and egg? Because we all know that we're clearly a fan of potato and egg. What food could you eat at all meals and not get sick of it? Does crab qualify?
Crab.
Crab.
Oh.
Crab. Does it
That's
qualify?
good.
Oh my god, I think I'm dying slowly
Oh,
over
she's
here
super.
of like a beautiful, beautiful death though.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Also, the egg is really good.
I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this.
It's really good.
It's amazing.
Mmm.
I like salt too much. I might want to salt it a little.
Mm-mm. You gotta dip it deeper then.
Mm.
With all that salt there.
Mm.
I've been cutting
I
it
love
out and
everything
like
that's bad for me, so. But also everything that's good for me.
Mmm. And, okay, well, look at this. Look at
I'm gonna
that.
patent that.
Wait, do you see that?
Okay. Yes, girl. I love it.
Guys.
How is it?
What? What just happened?
Was that amazing? Okay. I guess I should experience it for myself then.
How does she? Oh, sorry. How does B Loves do it so like easily? She just like squirts it.
She's a fucking pro.
Yeah, she's well experienced. That's why. All right, Boo Boo, I'm gonna feed you.
oh my god,
It's gonna be the best bite of your life.
I'm ready for this.
I wish you could see it dripping down her face right now. Put some of these onions in here.
Mm.
And some of this.
It's unbelievable.
So good. Mmm.
Right? I mean,
Even my greasy chin's not bad.
no. Mm-mm. I'm gonna try it with this. See how this goes.
Mmm.
Oh,
That's like crazy good.
wow.
Right?
Yeah.
Like, look at this. Look at these.
I'm so
What
excited.
sauce are you gonna go for?
I'm gonna go for the bee love sauce.
We haven't even touched the captain's boil sauce yet, but that's because we know what it tastes like.
I know. I'm
Yeah,
kind
we
of
know
obsessed
that.
with this sauce
Yeah,
right now.
me Me too.
So good.
Sorry guys, we're not going back to the captain's
I don't think we're
boil.
going back to Captain's Boil.
It's way fishier than this.
Mhm.
Which, like, I mean,
Which
you're
is
already
fine,
getting
but
crab.
like, okay, I want more.
Scoop that shit. Like, scoop the onions and the.
Okay, well, I was waiting for you.
Where's your spoon? Here. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
See all of this stuff at the bottom?
Mhm. Oh,
There
okay.
you go.
There we go. Wow. Let's give Guy some of that goodness here.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Here, boo boo.
Oh my goodness.
Got in here for your cameo crab appearance, baby.
Crab.
Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, yes.
So good.
So good.
So good.
How good is that sauce?
Oh my god, so I can't get over it.
Look at that.
That's not good.
Mm.
So good. Love it. Oh,
Mm.
we're boiling over there.
I don't think I can go to any other sauce.
No.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, it's the one.
I always wondered how she could eat it so often. Now I know.
Because it's incredible.
And I was like, oh, like, just such a big bowl of it, but like, really?
It's not that big. We can do some damage with this sauce.
Mm. Mm.
I think this is the best Friday I've had in a while.
Me too. Mm. Lemon.
Happy Friday,
I'm
everybody.
forgetting about the lemon.
Oh, crap.
I know.
Oh, we put that all over my hand.
Oops, sorry.
Sorry, no, sorry.
Mm. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, baby.
Happy
I
Friday.
haven't sipped any of your rosé.
Yeah, I took a pretty big gulp before we started. Alright,
It's Friday, so that's why we're drinking.
it's Friday.
Friday, yay.
Whoever thinks that egg is weird in a seafood boil, you're weird.
You're weird. Not us. You.
Yeah.
It's
Is that
amazing.
boiling over?
It's literally, it makes it. Egg
Yeah.
makes a lot of things. I love egg on a burger.
Yes.
I love egg on carbonara.
Mm-hmm.
Like a good creamy
Creamy
pasta.
Yeah.
You can really put egg on anything. And it'll be amazing.
Take that little piece there. Right. This knuckle piece here is about to. You ready for this?
You go first.
No. I'll take the nub. You don't like the nub?
It's
She doesn't. Okay. Fun fact about Sarah. She doesn't eat the nub of anything.
I don't like how it's all wrinkly.
It's cheese.
bread. I don't eat them.
Yeah.
They're called bums. They're not nubs. They're bums. And I
Delicious
don't
bums.
eat them.
See, this is another bun.
Pepperettes, not down for that.
Yes, the twisty part. I
Uh-uh.
like that.
Uh-uh.
Oh yeah,
Mm.
that was a good bite.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that sauce.
Saving one for you, Sky baby.
Yeah, okay.
You think these eggs are done?
Yeah?
Well, it's been 6 minutes. What do I do with them?
49.
Definitely
You used
not
to eat
normal
butter too, eh,
behavior.
Sky?
I did.
Why did
See?
all of my best friends eat? But so used to eat.
I used to
sticks of
sneak the
butter,
little
too.
packets of
'Cause
butter.
they're
Butter is
so
delicious.
weird.
Then my neighbors, shout out to my childhood neighbors, introduced me to butter and sugar.
My mom actually used to put butter and sugar on my toast in the morning. That was like a thing.
My mom did with
What?
cinnamon. She did
Yeah.
butter, sugar, and cinnamon. It was
Yeah.
so good.
That was not allowed.
You are missing out. We're have to make it for you one morning.
That was not allowed in my house.
It's
So
like
good.
such a thing, yeah.
Yeah, no. I think it's because my obsession with butter just went a little too far, so any encouragement of butter.
Just take it. Why is your lobster still there? You gotta eat that.
I'm working through.
I might steal it.
We should give it to Sky. Sky, you want some more lobster, babe?
All day.
Can you feed this to me?
Really appreciate this. Taking turns feeding me.
Yeah, you
This is what friends do.
You got that. You got that. The one
That's what
biter.
friends do. That was a big one biter.
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
Whoa.
Would you just shove that right in your mouth?
I took a little champ.
I would expect no less from you.
No. I like dipping this one in and then feeding it to you. Whoa. Sorry guys, I'm not very coordinated when it comes to the shelling things. Okay,
Also,
Do you see
our
this?
lobster only had one claw.
battle wound. You should have seen the other guy. No, dad jokes.
Bad jokes.
Dad jokes.
Bad jokes. Dad jokes.
Can I just do a compilation every time you sigh before I feed?
No. My God. Guys, how come no one's asking for the fucking calamari, you assholes? No, the one with the cat ears.
I mean, just because there's so many good things to eat.
Okay, what you got here, baby?
Grab.
What you eat?
Shoulder. Just trying to feed you.
Oh.
I bet you there's not any mukbangs like ours where they feed each other as much as this. It's not a sexual thing. It's just love.
It's love.
It's love.
When you feed someone, it's love. If I don't have to feed myself, why should I? Isn't that fair?
That's all you.
Jackie's also quite good at feeding everyone.
That's all you. This is gonna be me right
You have
here.
a lot to eat still.
I know, but we're getting full.
I know. But I honestly, this is one of the best spreads we've done.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm obsessed.
We added some more eggs though. I'm so excited about that. Do you see? Do you see this? I can see it. Yeah, I'll put this right here. Oh, but then they can't see it.
I'm going to take one of these eggs though, so while you have this over here.
I'm gonna give one to Sky.
Yes, please.
Give one to myself. That's a perfectly cooked egg. Yeah. How many eggs have I eaten? Are you only supposed to eat one a day?
Oh my god.
What? I love
You
it.
can have as many eggs a day as you want.
That's the funniest reaction I've ever seen.
What?
What?
What? No way. I got a limit on eggs.
That's rude.
Is there?
I don't think that it can actually affect your cholesterol if you don't already have high cholesterol. You know?
Yeah.
Like if you genetically have high cholesterol. Just saying.
Fingers
Try to
crossed.
cheese this.
Wow.
I'm getting full.
What do I have here? Lobs? Crabs.
Crabs.
Give me that crab.
Full.
So we would love to know what you would like to see us eat.
And if you're a restaurant and you want us to eat there, we will eat everywhere. We love food.
We do. Now,
We eat everything.
I used to work in the restaurant biz. I used to be a restaurant manager. Jackie here is a food photographer.
I am. That's a fun fact about me.
Yeah. So we have a lot of love for the hospitality industry, and we definitely love to eat. So
If you enjoyed this video,
yeah,
oh. She has a little kitty cat. Oh, she's just making a little appearance. Hi, Darla.
this is Darla.
How's it going? You smelled lobster?
She likes seafood.
A lot.
She's a girl after my own heart.
Hey, no. It's okay. It was bound to happen.
It was.
Remember in my mukbangs, Remy would always just come and my dog's name is Remy. He'd come and he'd
They know
make
where the
little
good food's at.
appearances. Yeah,
Yeah, this was amazing.
I know.
I'm gonna keep eating, but
I probably will be picking away as well. But
we're gonna do this all night.
yeah. So if you enjoyed this, like this video, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more Butterbabez,
Give us some love.
and
Well-
comment on what you want to see.
Yeah,
'Cause we don't know.
we'll eat it.
We'll just keep eating until you tell us. One bite at a time.
One bite at a time. Okay, we love you.
Bye.
Bye, Butterballs. Bye.